Hi there, I'm meteorologist Chikage Windler. Hope you're doing well. The eclipse, the total eclipse of the moon, happens in the morning, and I'm not sure if it'll be worth it, but I think I probably will set my alarm super early just to see if I can see it, although clouds are likely to rush in. Here's more in tonight's Chik's Chat. Here was the view at moonrise this evening, our time-lapse Tuesday. You can see a little pooch out there in the field and the moon coming up over the horizon. All right, so now we look ahead to what will be the blood moon. The peak of the eclipse is at 5:55 in the morning. Total eclipse starts at 5:25 and ends at 6:24. The reason it's called the blood moon is because it will appear almost orangey or red because it's so near the horizon. Unfortunately, our view is likely to be limited by clouds. You know, those pesky low clouds and fog that we've been talking about, maybe some patchy drizzle too. But if you are fortunate enough to get a picture, I'd love to see it, and I'll share it as well. So you can find me on Facebook, Chikage Windler fan page. You can find me on Twitter at Chikage KEYE-TV. You can send me an email, chikage@KEYE-TV.com, and last but not least, hashtag KIWX, a great way to also put your photos out there. Future track, there you go. You can see the clouds rushing in, so by the time the eclipse is at its peak, if future track is right, we've not only got clouds, but also some patches of drizzle down toward the south and west. But just as we've seen the last several days, the clouds scour out, the sun comes out, and temperatures soar about mid-80s by midday and low 90s by 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm going to go a smidgen warmer than future track with a high temperature of about 93 degrees. And then we repeat the process with more clouds and low fog and clouds pulling in by early Thursday. So here's your Wednesday planner: 73 in the morning, 86 at midday, high temperature of 93 degrees. By the way, we hit 94 for your Tuesday high, just 3 degrees shy of a record. Okay, Simon has now been downgraded to a post-tropical cyclone. We will no longer get any updates on this storm. That area of low pressure sending moisture into the Pacific, including areas in the desert southwest, and eventually that moisture will mean increased rain chances for us, as part of it will be pushing eastward. Along with that, there's going to be a stalled cold front in North Texas that may pool some of the weekend moisture. So ACL weekend too, if you've got a wristband. Well, just a 10% chance of rain on Friday. I mean, you'll be pretty good. Should be dry, 91. Saturday, a 40% chance of showers and storms as that cold front gets pretty close. Sunday, it may wiggle around a little bit. High temperature 89, 30% rain chance. Not a lot of rain expected here. Rain totals a ½ an inch or less. On the other hand, if you're heading up north to Dallas for Saturday's Red River rivalry, be prepared for rain, maybe some locally heavy downpours. 75 cool degrees at 11 a.m. High temperature just 79 on Saturday, and a 60% chance of rain. So pack the ponchos and pack your patience. Here's your 7-day forecast: patchy drizzle in the morning, possible, then mostly sunny skies. Thursday, Friday, just a lonely 10% rain chance. Saturday, up to 40%. Sunday, 30%. Also Monday, 30%. Signs are pointing to the possibility of a cold front finally pushing in on Monday into Tuesday, and if it does, and if it's strong enough, at least one computer model, my favorite one, is suggesting we could have highs by Tuesday only in the upper 70s. Sure hope so. That's it for now. Have a great night, and if you do see the eclipse, give me a holler. Take care.